How to hide and unhide comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. Now go ahead and tap on the post from where you want to hide or unhide comments from, and then tap on the comment option you see there. Now, below the comment, you will see the option for hide. So tap on the hide option in order to hide the comment, and when prompted, tap on the OK button. And in order to unhide the comment, you will see the see hidden comments option. So tap on the see hidden comments option you see there, and you will then see the unhide option. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on unhide again, and with this, the comment will be unhidden. So this is how you can hide and unhide comments on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.